Hey everyone, how's it going? The latest version of Bloxstrap has just been released. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to download and install the newest version of Bloxstrap. First, open up your web browser, Chrome, Edge, or whichever you prefer. Next, head to Bloxstrap.com. From the search results, click on the first link titled Bloxstrap.com. Once the website finishes loading, you'll see a clean interface along with a visible download button. Before hitting download, make sure you read the information available on the site to confirm it's the latest version. After going through the details, go ahead and click on the download button. The file should begin downloading within a few seconds. When the download is complete, open the file to launch the Bloxstrap installer. Choose your preferred language. In my case, it's set to the system default. You'll then be greeted by the welcome screen. Click next to move forward. Now click install, then select install and launch Roblox. The installation will take a short while, so give it a moment. Once everything's installed, Roblox will launch automatically. Simply sign in with your Roblox ID and you're all set to enjoy Bloxstrap's awesome features, now with no lag at all.